Write a program to swap numbers without using temporary variable. Without using temporary variable. Right, what is the logic here? Now see. So I am creating two variables, variable A, variable B. Right. This variable name is A, this variable name is B. Initial value of A is 10. Initial value of B is 20. Right. Now the formula is this. Without using temporary variable. A is equals to A plus B. B is equals to A minus B. A equal to A minus B. So this is the formula. First, A plus B equal to A. A plus B means A is having value 10. B is having 20. If you do addition, both, that should be stored in this A. So how much it will become? It will become 30. 10 will be removed here and 30 will come here. Right. Next, A minus B equal to B. Now do A minus B. 30 minus 20, how much?
10, sir.
Now 10 will come here. 20 will be
Remove.
deleted. Right. Next, A minus B equal to A. Now what is A and minus B? A. What A value is 30. B value is 10. If you do A minus B, 30 minus 10, it will become
20, sir.
20. Now 20 will come here. Now write the program for this. Just I am removing these lines and A equal to, what is the formula? A equal to A plus B, and after that B equal to A minus B, and after that A equal to A minus B. Now run the program. Initial value of A is 20. Initial value of B is 40. After swap, A should become 40, B should become 20.